Good afternoon, everyone. It's Matt over at Wallstreetlivechat.com. It is Wednesday, March 27th. The Dow right now is doing pretty well. I mean, she's holding. You know, you have the support right here. Remember I was telling you about that the other day. And you know, as long as we hold that support, it looks like we can make another move to the upside. You know, the possibility is there. So we dipped down pretty hard today. Then we came right back up, and we're getting pretty close to closing high of the day here. But I don't think it will. Let's hope we close red. You know, Greece is coming up tomorrow. They're going to open those banks. Should be totally chaos over there. So see what happens tomorrow. Protect yourself at all times. All right, let's run through a few charts here. Netflix has had a beast move. Okay. And we made another one off this bottom over here from waiting at 182, came all the way up today, and 197 before pulling back, and now we're closing below yesterday's high, which is, to me, is a bearish setup to make some new lows, not new lows, lower day tomorrow. Excuse me. All right, Google. How's Google doing? Well, we've been talking about it for a while. If you watch the videos, you know that. Started shorting in this area over here at this double top. Puts, shorts, long-term out, short-term out. We've broken this support where this line was. Now we came down. We had some support right in this area. Now today we started making a little more of an aggressive move to the downside, and we're testing lows. So looks like we're going to come down. Like I said, next area is right in here at the 792, 790 area, and maybe bounce off of that. You know, your RSI is getting really low here, so plan on a bounce for this thing. All right, we're going to focus on a members watch list. His name's Bob. He does a fantastic job in the chat room all day long, picking some great stocks. And I just wanted to take a look at a few of them that he has on watch now. We'll start with RGLD. Okay. Come off the bottom, double bottom here. It's made a nice aggressive move to the upside. It's getting ready to pierce the 50-day moving average. Over the 50-day moving average, looks like we can move another $10 in this area. So Royal Gold, keep an eye on it. We did a big spot the other day on gold and silver, and we still feel the same way about it. So that's a nice chart right there. DCIX. DCIX looks like it just broke this. Just broke this top right here, so it has the potential to move up to the 50 and the 200. I'd like to see it get a clean break right through here before we have a confirmation to the upside of 625 area. But yeah, that looks good, and there's a nice little gap over here that needs to be filled. So let's see how this pans out. Potential here on an upside aggressive move could get up to 675 somewhere in that area, and then use 50 and the 200 day as support. Another chart I want to look at is one we've been talking about a few times, I think. VLCCF. You know, we have a nice golden cross taking place, nice volume today, nice breakout to the upside. We were discussing in this area, if I remember correctly. Now we're starting to get a nice golden cross, and it should get an aggressive move to the upside. We're looking, like I said before, we're looking for it to hit its head on the 880 first, then a nice little pullback for a re-entry, and then break up to the upside, and this line will become the support, the 880. So keep an eye on that one. Still going the same way. It's continuing very nicely, just like we had planned on. Always doesn't happen. Doesn't always happen like that. TDW, another great stock here. It really took off and is moving right over this headline over here. Okay, so with that break there, and if it holds above that line, look for new highs on this one, and potentially up to 56, 67 area for the next test. There's really nothing in the way. Nice charts. CPLP. CPLP had a nice bullish cross, and it's continuing its pattern. It really looks good right here. I'd like to see next phase for this one is a clean break above this line right here, or we're going to get a nice little pullback but a slower one, maybe to the 50-day before we break out to the upside. All right, that one looks really nice also. Potential there. You could probably get up to test 941, and then on high volume back into 1139 area, 1130, somewhere in that area. AXL. AXL is just following the 50-day straight up. Any pullbacks right near the 50-day, looks like you can just hop in and go for the ride. It's making new highs over the last year, so this baby looks pretty solid to continue to the upside. This peak here was broken solid today, and I think the only concern that I would have right now is this double top right here, but I don't think it's going to, if it pulls back, it's not going to be too much. You have an entry area right in this area here. So keep an eye on that. Looks nice and stable, safe and secure. Good stock, good stock. EXM. EXM took off today. It's doing really well since the cross, and really has a lot of upside potential here. Let me see here. Looks like first stop is going to be the $2 area, and then you have the double top up at 240 to contend with. So keep an eye on that one. Any pullbacks, you could probably you could see where you are here on the double bottom right here. So maybe look for this area right here to be your support. So 93 area. All right, let's take a look at one more. LNDC. You know, it has a beautiful trend right now. You know, it looks like an upside potential right here has become the resistance, but you're trading in such a tight channel right now that it's going to probably have one more pullback and then bust out to the upside. But your 50 days, your support, and go from there. All right, some great looking charts by one of our members. Great watch list. They are performing nicely. The stocks are performing nicely. You know, if you're not a member, come on over, live chat, Wallstreetlivechat.com. Go to the forum. The pics are posted on the forum, and you can come into the live chat room and get it all live all day. Many stocks, many movers. All right, this is Matt. Till tomorrow, peace.